utswa gaba o Polokwane City umang
Mr. Ntlhane here. Polokwane City is my home team.
Yes.
Ka gae ka lapeng local Sidela. Ka re team hela. But I'm sorry for them.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need some points and
points.
We need some points.
Yeah.
Because ke competition no.
Yes.
Re halwa le Pakane ya ka.
Yes.
Re challenge ke Pirates. Are challenge ke Chiefs.
Pakane ya di tutsi mo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Polokwane City my home boys.
Yes.
Mr. David.
Yes.
As I believe.
Yeah.
Forgive us as a Sundowns fans. And you know that Limpopo people, they all of them, they're from Limpopo, yeah. 90%.
90%.
Yeah, from Limpopo.
But you managed to beat Polokwane City
3-0.
Such a heavy score.
They tried to their tricks in the last week.
Yes.
Tricks
Nola umisa jwang penalty so. I shapa ngibona ikena ukuthi clouds.
Ane ka motsepa tseba. Tolane, ke Tolane.
Yeah, ke Tolane.
Mama ke Tolane ko kwa ke Marema.
Yes.
So ka tsepa.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, we need points. So TV analyst le naka fela. Sundowns already and it's a quality team.
Yes.
Sundowns is a quality team.
Yeah.
Okay, let him give Chiefs and Pirates something in their mind.
Yes.
Sundowns is a quality team.
Yes.
They must put them in that team.
Aruna riputso ya wena mo.
Bucks FPI man. Ke support Pakane.
Yeah.
Are you not happy with 2025-2026 season?
Are you not happy with 2025?
I'm happy.
Yeah.
I'm happy.
What makes you happy?
Challenge.
Yeah.
Yeah, challenge.
No.
Thank you.
No, it's my point. It's my point. Harim Shabele Mato. Masanda one. Yeah.